Hello everyone! So today I wanted to show you how to make Ragi Roti. It's basically flatbread but with using Ragi flour. Ragi is rich in calcium and iron, so it's good for children and people who are maybe anemic. Ragi also has a low glycemic index, so people who have diabetes or trying to lose weight, it's good for it's just healthy. It's a healthy alternative to plain flour. But I actually don't like the taste of 100% ragi, so I use half plain flour and half ragi flour. Alright, so all you really need is a little bit of salt and a little bit of vegetable oil, then enough water to be able to combine the ingredients and roll it out. Also, the ratio I used was a cup of flour equated to a cup of water. But I didn't actually use the full amount of water, so it depends on when you're actually mixing it. So you can determine if you need a little bit more or a little bit less, just you have to figure it out, I guess. Okay, once you have your dough, you kind of have to knead it for a good 5 to 10 minutes. For 1 cup of flour, I kneaded the dough for around 7 minutes, I guess. Then I put some oil in my hands and patted the surface of the dough just to ensure that it doesn't get dry. You could also opt for a damp cloth and just cover the bowl with it. I left the dough to the side for 5, 6 minutes. I didn't want to wait that long. I think you should wait for around at least 10 minutes, but I was just 5 minutes is good enough. Also, guys, I apologize for my voice. I have a little bit of a cold and a blocked nose. I really wanted to hold off editing the video until I got better. But it's been a few weeks and I still haven't got better, so I was like, you know what, screw it. Also, for any of the students that are I don't have a rolling pin, I won't be able to make any of these things, don't worry. You can literally use a glass, it doesn't matter. Anything with a curved surface, maybe a tin, a bottle of some kind, the curved surface of a measuring jug, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, do you remember when I was saying how it didn't matter whether you rolled out the dough perfectly or not? Well, I kind of take that back because if you manage to roll out the dough into a perfectly rounded shape, good on you. Then what happens is that the air gets trapped inside and it helps inflate the dough into a balloon-like shape. We call this a puri. It's another type of bread that we eat. Ta-da! The dough was actually pretty soft. I think it was because I kneaded it for a good amount of time. But that's it, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!